Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to link Windows 11 to Android phone. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To link your Windows 11 PC to your Android phone using the link to Windows feature, you can follow these steps. Step 1. On your Windows 11, ensure that your Windows 11 PC supports the link to Windows feature. Just follow the prompts to install if you don't have. And now, make sure to turn on Bluetooth on your Windows 11 PC. Another step, click on the Start menu, then go to Settings. Choose Phone Link from the list, then hit Open Phone Link. And now, on your Android phone, make sure your Bluetooth is enabled on your Android phone. Now, ensure that your Android phone supports the Your Phone companion app and link to Windows. Another step, open the Google Play Store, download and install the Link to Windows app. Now, open your Link to Windows app on your phone. Sign in with the Microsoft account used on your Windows 11 PC. So for me, I choose to use QR code for convenience. Choose this while using. Then put the camera scanner to the QR code. Then go back to your PC to enter the code on your Android. Once done, hit continue, then send a code, and check your email for the code, and put the code, then hit sign in. Now, allow permissions, for example, for all the apps, hit allow, then hit done, and now, on your PC, hit continue. Once connected, you can access features like notifications, messages, and photos directly from your Windows 11 PC. Now keep in mind that the exact steps might vary slightly depending on your device models and the versions of Windows 11 and Android phone. Additionally, Microsoft might update the link to Windows feature over time, so it's a good idea to check for any specific instructions provided by Microsoft for the latest guidance. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.